Checking out a pocket knife from CIVIVI. If we open it up, it comes in a nylon pouch with their logo. It's a zipper pouch with a fur lining. Got a warranty catalog, microfiber cloth, logo sticker. There's also a sticker that looks like one of their knives. That's pretty neat. And then we get the knife itself. This one is called the Pragma Prime. A little bit larger than the first Pragma, I think. This one is in their gray aluminum handle material. Has the tip up carry with the nice metal clip. Looks like that clip can go to either side. This one has thumb locks to open. Nice Wharncliffe blade with a Damascus material. Very nice look to that one. This one is a button lock. Makes it very easy to close. The ceramic bearings make it very easy to open. This one not only looks great, has a great grind on the blade, great shape, and a nice edge, some easy to sharpen. Let's look at the lockup. CIVIVI's are always nice and tight. If you're looking for a gift or a nice pocket carry, hope this helps.